Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic in the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning: building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline. If you've ever worked on a machine learning project, you know that moving from development to production can feel like navigating a maze. But with the right approach and tools, you can streamline this process and make it efficient and scalable. Today, we will explore how to construct a deployment pipeline that integrates continuous integration and continuous deployment, often referred to as CI/CD. This way, we can ensure that our AI models are not only robust but also easily deployable and maintainable. Let's start with the basics. What exactly do we mean by a deployment pipeline? In the context of AI, a deployment pipeline is a set of automated processes that enable us to take our machine learning models from training and development to a production environment where they can be accessed and utilized by end users. The ultimate goal is to ensure that our models can be continuously improved and updated without significant downtime or manual intervention. To build a scalable deployment pipeline, we need to consider several key components: version control, automated testing, model training, model validation, and deployment strategies. Each part plays a vital role in ensuring that our AI model is reliable and performs well in production. First, let's talk about version control. Just like in software development, version control is essential in machine learning projects. It provides a way to track changes in both the code and the datasets used to train models. Git is a popular tool for version control, and many teams use it to manage their code repositories. However, in machine learning, we also need to manage versions of our datasets and models. Tools like DVC, or data version control, can help facilitate this by allowing data scientists to version their datasets alongside their code. This ensures that we can always reproduce our models and understand which data was used for training and evaluation. Next up is automated testing. Just as we test software code, we must also validate our machine learning models. Automated testing in the context of AI includes unit tests, integration tests, and model performance tests. Unit tests check if individual components of your code are working correctly. Integration tests ensure that different parts of your pipeline work together seamlessly. Finally, model performance tests evaluate how well your model performs on test datasets and verify that it meets the required performance metrics. By incorporating automated tests, you can catch issues early in the development cycle and avoid costly errors later on. Now, let's move on to model training. This is the stage where we take our data, apply the machine learning algorithms, and train our models. It's essential to have a well-defined training procedure that can be easily replicated. Using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch is common during this phase, as they provide robust tools for model development. But when we talk about scalability, we must also consider how to manage computational resources effectively. Platforms like AWS SageMaker or Google AI Platform allow you to train your models on powerful hardware, making it easier to scale up or down based on your needs. This capability is crucial as it allows your team to focus on developing better models without worrying about infrastructure constraints. Once our models are trained, we need to validate their performance. Model validation is a critical step to ensure that our trained models are not just accurate but also generalize well to new, unseen data. This process typically involves splitting your data into training, validation, and test sets. After training, you evaluate your model on the validation set to tune hyperparameters and make improvements. Finally, the test set is used to assess how well your model performs in real-world scenarios. By following this rigorous validation process, we can ensure that our models are robust and reliable. After validation, we reach the deployment stage. Deployment is where the magic happens, where your model goes live and starts making predictions. There are several strategies for deploying AI models, including batch processing, real-time inference, and edge deployment. Batch processing involves running predictions on large datasets at scheduled intervals, while real-time inference allows users to receive predictions immediately as data flows in. Edge deployment takes the model closer to the data source, which can be critical for applications requiring low latency. To facilitate deployment, we can use containerization technologies like Docker. Docker allows you to package your model and its dependencies into a container that can run consistently across different environments. This consistency is key for avoiding compatibility issues when deploying models to production. Now, let's talk about continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD. CI/CD is an essential practice for modern software development, and it can significantly enhance our AI model deployment pipeline. Continuous integration involves automatically testing and integrating code changes into a shared repository. This ensures that new code is consistently validated, reducing the chances of introducing bugs or breaking existing functionality. In the context of AI, CI/CD can be set up to trigger automatically whenever changes are made to the code or data. For instance, when a data scientist commits new code to the repository, the CI/CD pipeline can automatically run the unit tests, integration tests, and model performance tests. If all tests pass, the code can then be merged into the main branch, ensuring that only validated code is deployed. Once the code is merged, continuous deployment takes over. This process automates the deployment of code changes to the production environment, ensuring that updates can be rolled out quickly and efficiently. With a CI/CD pipeline in place, teams can deploy multiple versions of their models with minimal downtime, allowing for rapid iteration and improvement. Implementing CI/CD in your AI deployment pipeline can provide several advantages. It enhances collaboration among team members by promoting a culture of shared responsibility for code quality. It also allows for faster feedback loops, enabling data scientists and developers to iterate on their models more quickly. Furthermore, automated deployments reduce manual intervention, minimizing the risk of human error and ensuring that your production environment remains stable. However, building a scalable AI deployment pipeline with CI/CD integration is not without its challenges. One of the primary challenges is ensuring data quality and consistency. In machine learning, data is often the most crucial factor influencing model performance. When working with large datasets, maintaining data integrity as it flows through various stages of the pipeline can be difficult. Tools like Apache Kafka or Apache Airflow can help manage data workflows and ensure that data is processed consistently across different environments. Another challenge is managing model drift. Over time, the performance of your models may degrade as the underlying data changes. This phenomenon, known as model drift, can lead to significant issues if not addressed. Implementing monitoring solutions that track model performance in real time is essential for detecting drift early. Tools like Prometheus or Grafana can help visualize model performance metrics, allowing teams to take corrective action when necessary. As we conclude, it's vital to highlight that building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline is an ongoing process. It requires continuous improvement and adaptation as technologies evolve and new best practices emerge. The landscape of AI and machine learning is rapidly changing, and teams must stay informed about the latest developments to remain competitive. In summary, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline involves several crucial steps: implementing version control, automating testing, training models efficiently, validating performance, deploying effectively, and integrating CI/CD practices. By paying attention to each of these components, you can create a robust pipeline that enhances collaboration, improves model performance, and accelerates the deployment process. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with AI model deployment, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials on AI and machine learning. See you next time.